Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Finally we have some good news for a weekly recap video, as the last several weeks have been crazy and this week has been mostly in the green, except for on, I believe it was Tuesday or Wednesday, Tuesday, a little bit of a dip on Tuesday. Other than that, a lot of green this week. Hopefully you guys have done well in the stock market and all of your investments, and hopefully you guys are doing well in just your daily lives as we continue to deal with the stresses that have been brought about by COVID-19. So we're going to get right into it. Very short weekly recap video we have here. So as you guys see, the Dow is up about 133 points as it closed, or is getting ready to close in 1 minute. Or about 0.5%. The S&P 500 is up about 0.8%, or about 30 points. We can look at the 5-day forecast on these. Started the week off hot, then a big dip on Tuesday, and then continued the climb back up. We're closing in on those all-time highs again, which would be, I believe, around 29,000, maybe 30,000 for the Dow. And then if we look in the S&P 500, very similar, but a little bit more momentum going on here, which obviously the S&P 500 has a better overall feel for the stock market as a whole. Then we can check the NASDAQ, up about 1.32 points today, or percent today. Obviously, once again, very similarly shaped to the S&P 500. Fantastic day for the NASDAQ today, I should say. Let's check out the VIX. This is one that I like to pull up as a weekly video or a weekly recap, down about 5%, 5.5%, which you do like to see. As you guys see, the volatility of the market has consistently gone down today. What is this? This is Tuesday. Okay, yeah, so over the course of Tuesday it went up, and then we continued our fall back down. Monthly, near monthly lows, if not the lowest it's been in a month, and very close to the lowest it's been in 6 months. And then obviously the goal is to get back down to here. You don't want to see a whole lot of volatility in the market, but obviously it does come with the market as a whole. So hopefully we continue to see this number, this number decrease, and this negative number increase. One big thing that's coming next week and the next several weeks after that is earnings. We're not going to dive into this article too deep, but it says earnings could be a positive force for stocks as Washington continues to wrangle over stimulus. Earnings roll out in the week ahead with a big burst of bank stocks, and that could be a positive force for markets. I think a lot of the earnings need to be good for there to be much of a swing positively by these earning calls. Stimulus talks will continue to be a big focus for the markets in the week ahead as Washington continues to send mixed signals about a package that some hope will be as much as $2 trillion. Dow closes 160 points higher, post best week since August as investors monitor stimulus talks. I think if these stimulus deals that we've highlighted in a couple videos here recently, if they get passed, I think the market could be in a very good spot for the next month or so. Retail sales for September are released Friday, and that will be an important look at how consumers are spending now that stimulus has run out. I think these numbers will be decent. I don't think they'll be fantastic, but I think they could be decent and show some semblance of normalcy here in the market. So, like I said, very short video for you guys here today. Hopefully you guys have had a good week in the stock market. Hopefully these, all the green numbers continue. Green numbers continue to go up. Hopefully we can find some peace in the rough waters that have been the stock market in the United States over the course of the last several months, and in the world as a whole. So hopefully everybody is doing well. Hopefully everyone has a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys next week on Monday with another great video. Thank you guys for the support you guys have been giving me. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel as we continue our climb to 1,000 subscribers. And we'll continue going strong on all these videos. So once again, have a great weekend and happy investing.